Start.
Har Mahadev Jai Bhavani Jai Hind Namaskar. Welcome to Shiva Shakti Production and Adi Shakti Media's initiative Industry Talks with BC Anant. So today, in the very first episode, I have somebody who is very close to me, a great senior, a mentor, a guide, and an entrepreneur in making. I have with me somebody who knows fashion and art pretty well, and somebody who will be decoding the different job opportunities in the fashion industry, the various aspects of sustainability in fashion and whatnot. Today we have with us Ms. Amulya Chitkara, a freelancer, a budding fashion designer, and I would say a sister to me. Welcome to the show, Amulya Didi.
Hi, thank you for having me, Anant here. It's a really great initiative that you have started,
Thank you
Industry
very
Talks,
much.
and it's really great to be here, help people who are really in need, and help people in a way that they can do something on their own instead of depending on any other person to give them jobs or to, you know, I would suggest that a person would create job for themselves instead of depending on other person to give them jobs after they've graduated. So yes,
Surely becoming your own
it's really
boss
nice.
is what's
Yes, becoming our own boss.
so I have a couple of hot shots for you. You know, there's a lot of chaos because of this COVID situation and
Yes.
the economy instability, if I say, and this Indo-China trade war now also started. So, first thing first, before anything, how does it feel to be here on our show? As you said,
It feels great. It feels great, really, because this is the first time that I'm on a live show like this and giving suggestions to people, to a lot of people. I'm mass communicating to people through your show because personally I obviously help a lot of students who have been under me, like you have been under me, and juniors, first year, second years, who know me and who are connected with me on various social media platforms, on my personal Instagram or anything like that. People come up to me, they give their problems to me, and I give them suggestions कि आप ये नहीं करके आप क्या क्या कर सकते हो. But through your platform I can reach out to more people, and obviously a lot more people can gain benefit from that. So it's a really great initiative that you have started, and I feel great to be here.
thank you very much, and I truly dedicate these words to my BCA Foundation.
Yes.
Because you are somebody who talks in all form of arts, as you say all the time,
Yes.
and
Yes.
all your social media handles are already there in the description. People can go and check out and reach you out. So as you already know this show, and my audience also knows that the show is something that describes about opportunities. So there is a chaos, and especially for the fashion industry, because it's the number 2 job providing industry in India, and a big industry across the globe. So, what do you suggest to the passing out students, who are really tense because of this COVID situation?
What I suggest to people, that over the years, what I have learned is, when I graduated, way before that, I was in the process of graduating. I was in third, fourth year when I was obviously very tense about getting a job, getting into the industry. The 4 years we have learned about the industry, but we have not experienced the industry. Right? Yes, so. I was very tensed about getting into the industry, learning new things, and unlearning the things that I've already learned. Right? You have to mold yourself that way. So when I was in the process of graduating, so what my seniors told me, that the industry is collapsing, because fashion industry is something that people would buy clothes anytime and every time, be it it's someone's birthday party or someone's wedding or someone passing away. People need clothes, right?
Yeah.
But but the the demand of people of buying clothes, the demand of buying clothes is collapsing. it's coming to zero initially. So I was very tense, and I did quite a lot of internships during my college time, and that was not in the curriculum. But I always like to explore things, explore different aspects of what I can do further instead of designing, right?
Yeah.
Fashion designing does not, especially in our college, Amity University, people, different colleges, people have only focused on the designing part of the fashion and design degree. But in our college, we have learned a lot of things. 48 subjects over a period of 4 years we have
Four
learned.
years, yeah.
And yes, and that includes language, a third language, and that includes English also, and basic various subjects that you have, marketing and everything. And fashion designing mein hote hue bhi we have learned marketing, we have learned graphic designing, and we have learned different various subjects that obviously allow you and allow all the students to mold themselves into a stream that they like.
Yeah, exactly.
I have done, yes. So I have done fashion designing. My specialty was fashion designing, but I have been always inclined towards the graphic part and the marketing part of the industry. So what I suggest to people, that when you are in the initial phases, the third, fourth year of getting into the industry, you should focus कि आप क्या चीज अच्छी कर सकते हो. If you are good at illustrations, take that industry, illustration industry, start making anything and everything. थर्ड ईयर में हो, आप कुछ भी डाल के सोशल मीडिया इज अ वेरी बिग प्लेटफॉर्म, एंड इट्स वेरी गुड फॉर रिकॉग्निशन. तो आप सोशल मीडिया पे वो डालो. इफ यू आर गुड विद इलस्ट्रेशंस, इफ यू आर गुड विद ग्राफिक्स, आप ग्राफिक्स बना के डालो. इफ यू आर गुड विद डिजाइनिंग, इफ यू हैव अ मशीन एट होम, इफ यू डू नॉट हैव अ मशीन एट होम, हमारे कॉलेज में कभी भी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस नहीं होती है, राइट? कि आपको कुछ काम करना है तो आप रोक, आप इफ यू वांट टू स्टिच एनीथिंग, स्टिच एंड पुट इट ऑन Instagram. Yes. So I would suggest work on your portfolio when you are in the initial phases, third, fourth year. And in current times, like COVID, when you are at home and you cannot do anything, and you cannot go to college, you cannot learn anything new from college, of course. So what you can do is, अपनी फील्ड में, जिस फील्ड में आपको इंटरेस्ट है, do internships, paid or unpaid, right? Getting paid is not something that you should look up to in the initial phases of learning. आपको अभी सीखना है, आपको अभी सीखना है, तो सीखने के लिए you should, yes.
I think that the best thing we get paid is in terms of knowledge.
Yes,
people
yes,
pay
of
knowledge
course.
to us, and later we utilize it for our own self.
Yes.
Not interrupting you. You may complete after that.
Yes, sir. No, it's okay.
Yeah, please do. Go ahead.
Yeah. So in the initial phases, like people are stuck at homes right now. In third, fourth year, students are stuck. So what I suggest to, it's not not look for a job right now, a full-time job. But what I suggest is, take small baby steps towards growing yourself in terms of, in your art that you're good at, or do internships, gather certificates. It will only help you increase your experience in your CV, and further, when everything is fine, and then you can get a job, and it will be very helpful to you. So sharing my experience, I have done a lot of internships with various designers, and ऐसा नहीं था कि only in the terms of designing. Second year में it's a very compulsory subject to compulsory thing to do internship under a designer, right? तो मैंने वो बोला assistant designer internship I did, unpaid of course. And then third year में मतलब it's not necessary, but I still, because I still did internship for 3 days for a pop-up show in at Purnia or Qureshi. So that was a very much learning experience to me, and I was very very experimental about my choices every time. And I guess your net is not working.
Am I stuck?
Video. Just a second.
You.
Yes, your video was stuck for थोड़ी देर.
Not an issue.
ठीक है. So what I suggest is people should focus on what they want to do in terms of future में आपको क्या करना है, so you start working on it right now.
Yeah, because future
Yeah.
depends on what we do in present. It's well said by somebody.
Yes.
So three,
Yes.
four things that comes from your answer point I can carve out, and I hope the audience must also be getting what you said is first, academics is pretty important. We can never take academics lightly, like कि चलो पढ़ लेंगे पास होने के लिए पढ़ लेंगे. And second thing is internships, you know, opportunities, whatever comes to you, you should always go for them. I'll share a small experience here because this time it was a very compulsory subject for me to intern, but unfortunately it could not. So I'm very fortunate that I took 1 day internships, 2 day internships. I did jobs for few companies, multinational companies as well. And, you know, I got a good, healthy experience of work apart
Yes.
from, because I'm new to fashion industry, I accidentally landed up in this industry. But before hand I had some experience of a few works, and now when I work because marketing is my forte, so
Yes.
places where I don't get paid as well, but I work. So this has helped me out because this time a lot of people called me, I'm not getting an internship, so what to do, because we don't have any certificates or we don't have any experience, next year we have to pass out and all this. So these small things, 1 day internship, 2 day internship, unpaid, has
Yes.
helped me a lot. And I can totally relate to you. And I'm very thankful that I worked under you in the youth fest. And because I remember there was a fashion show, the passing out fashion show you guys had, the Creative
Yes.
19. I was the host of the show, and you and your juniors were there in the show, and I was under you guys. And that helped me out because I was new to choreographing those things and managing those things, and I learned a lot from you guys. So thank you for that. Moving ahead, you know, this question comes to my mind that there's a sense of introversy I see in the market because the youngsters are there on the social media, they're putting things up, but you know they don't want to communicate. They're lost in the dreams so much that they do not get into the reality. And you are a youngster too, I'm a youngster too, and you are somebody who is a freelancer as well. So how do you see that people who wish to work as a freelancer should seek forward, you know, and go and approach to the experts? How do you see that?
Uh, to be honest, what I feel is, matlab, I am also, you can't call me an introvert, you can't call me an extrovert. I'm an ambivert. I only open up to people I like. You know that really well.
Yeah, I do.
So yes, so I always connect to people whose aesthetics match to my work. I don't really focus on earning money. I never had the motive of earning money out of what I'm doing. I do it for my pleasure, right? So जो भी मैं काम करती हूँ उससे मुझे खुशी मिलती है.
Yeah.
Like currently I'm helping out an NGO.
Okay, that's
It's
great.
based in yes, it's based in Jaipur. And I'm currently working on their social media, I'm working on their graphics. And yes, I somewhere relate to them because what the aesthetics they have is working on empowering the women and giving them livelihoods through selling through Instagram. And whatever products we buy from them, the money that we give to the NGO is directly gone to the women who make that, right? So that is the aesthetic that I've always followed in my uh, work process.
Work process.
That ethical working is something that I always liked, and giving the due credits and everything to the person who is behind that. So I was always on the other side of fashion, the unblingy, the what do you call it, the unfashionable
Non-fascinated, you
side
can
of
say.
fashion.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, the unfashionable side of fashion. So I was really inclined towards that side of fashion. See, every a coin has two sides, right? So fashion industry has also two sides: the fashion show side, and the uh, what do you call it, the ethical, the unethical side, the fast fashion side. But I was always inclined towards this slow fashion and moving towards sustainability side of fashion. So my aesthetics, I always reach out to people whose aesthetics match with me. If you are a person whose aesthetics are very glittery, blingy, and a person whose aesthetics is very, into the trends and something like that, so you should reach out to people whose aesthetics match to you, the designers whose aesthetics match to you. And even when looking for internships or looking for jobs, आपको उन्हीं companies में send your CV to that companies whose aesthetics match to you. Aesthetics is the first and foremost thing that you should always look up to when applying for an internship or applying for a job, because आपको job तो मिल जाएगी. Like I am a person, I have worked in the industry, I have worked in the fashionable side also, I have worked in the unfashionable side also, right? When I graduated, I had no idea, like many other students, I had no idea कि मुझे कहाँ पे जाना है, मुझे कहाँ पे किस इंडस्ट्री में जॉब करना है, right? So I worked like 2 to 3 months for a company outside Delhi. I shifted there, and yes, the aesthetics didn't match because they had conception about me that I am from the fashion industry. I can write anything and everything about fashion, so they put me into the blogging side of it.
Okay.
So I am good with writing, I am good with speaking, so they set me up in the ब्लॉगिंग साइट. तो मैंने वहाँ पे 1 दिन काम किया, 2 दिन काम किया, 3 दिन काम किया, एंड धीरे धीरे करके ना 2 या 3 महीने बीत गए. And then I started questioning myself कि मैं यहाँ पे कर क्या रही हूँ, because the creative ability, the creative juices that I had, वो सिर्फ एक कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठने से खत्म हो गए. Because people like us who are from a design background or from a creative background won't actually fit into a situation like this कि आपको 9 घंटे कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठना है and you have to type
Totally
all day long. ठीक है. एंड अभी भी इफ यू आर नॉट वर्किंग इन अ कंपनी, अगर मैं आपको सिर्फ कंप्यूटर के सामने बिठा दूं एंड यू हैव टू डू नथिंग, आपको बोल दूं कि आपको जो करना है आप क्या करोगे? आप यूट्यूब खोलोगे एंड यू लर्न समथिंग न्यू, क्या टेक्निक्स होती है. अगर आप 5 मिनट क्राफ्ट भी देख रहे हो तो आप वही देखोगे कि हाँ ये मैं कर सकता हूँ, तो मैं ये करूंगा, मैं ये बनाऊंगा, एंड नेक्स्ट डे यू विल स्टार्ट मेकिंग दैट. सो आवर क्रिएटिव जूसेस आर ऑलवेज फ्लोइंग, एंड आप एक कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठ के नहीं कर सकते. तो दैट इन दैट सेंस आई वेंट रॉन्ग. So I applied for another job under a designer as an assistant designer in the same city. So when I went there, I thought कि हाँ अब तो ये डिजाइनिंग वाली जॉब है, डिजाइनिंग वाली जॉब में मुझे आसानी होगी मतलब यहाँ पे जेलअप होने में. But similar thing happened because I discovered that I am not from the fashionable side, I am from the unfashionable side.
Okay.
ठीक है. तो दैट इज समथिंग. वहाँ पे मतलब द गारमेंट्स जो वहाँ पे गारमेंट्स बन रहा है, आई वाज लुकिंग एट द प्रोडक्शन, आई वाज लुकिंग, तो उधर पे मेरी क्रिएटिव जो वो एबिलिटीज थी वो आ तो रही थी कि हम ये कर सकते हैं, हम ये कर सकते हैं. लेकिन बट जब कोई डिजाइनर है वो कपड़ा लेकर आ रहे हैं, कपड़ा कट रहा है, स्टिच हो रहा है, जो फैब्रिक जो बच रहा है, मेरे को उसको देख के तो दुख होता था, ये फैब्रिक क्यों बचा रहे हो, इसको बना के कुछ बना लो यार. तो दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई वाज रियली टेंस्ड अबाउट वहां पे कि ये यहाँ पे इतना वेस्टेज क्यों है. मतलब रोज का 2 या 3 किलो कतरन निकल के बाहर फेंका जाता था, and that is anyways going up to our landfills and everything. So I somewhat I could not connect to that environment. So धीरे धीरे करके I started exploring myself. और हाँ, तो I suddenly I felt that I do not belong to this fashionable side. So इसलिए knowing your aesthetics is very important. And yes, even if you are freelancing, even if you're if you're designing for yourself, if you're establishing a brand, if you're establishing a label, and even if you're working under someone, know your aesthetics. Knowing your aesthetics is something that you should always be focused on, and that will eventually help you establish your own identity in the industry.
Great, these things, and we have always been a culture, Bharatiya culture that saves.
Yes.
And we make a banyan a pocha. unless and
Yes,
then
exactly.
the rugs of that pocha we use in something else, and we do not waste.
Yes,
But certain sort of westernization, that because we didn't go through the natural industrialization as you all
yes,
we all know, because of this colonialism and all those things. So I can clearly point out this, that in the world of fats you have always managed to be a classic.
yes.
Yeah.
And also, what I feel is this sustainability thing. People are very मतलब आधे से ज़्यादा लोग, मतलब out of 100 people, you can even like 30 people are very passionate about sustainability and saving fabrics and making something out of it, not wasting things. 30 people are there, and बाकी के जो लोग हैं, they don't care, और या फिर थोड़े से एक्स्ट्रा लोग होंगे, they are following sustainability because अभी तो इंडस्ट्री में cool है,
Trend
right?
actually.
Yes, ट्रेंड है उनके लिए, इट्स अ ट्रेंड, एंड बहुत सारे लोग हैं हु आर वेरी पैशनेट, बहुत सारे लोगों को फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है. तो दैट इज समथिंग कि अगर आप कुछ कर रहे हो, यू शुड बी रियली पैशनेट अबाउट दैट, एंड उसको हाफ हार्टेडली मत करो. मतलब लाइक इफ यू आर इनटू फैशन स्कूल, यू आर लर्निंग फैशन, डोंट लर्न इट हाफ हार्टेडली, राइट? अगर आपको करना है तो पूरा करो, नहीं करना तो छोड़ दो. आई एम अ पर्सन हु हैज ऑलवेज लिव्ड according to my wish. uh, you know, in college also, in first, second year, third year, I never really forced myself to study or forced myself to work कि ये काम कंप्लीट करना तो ये 2 दिन में करना तो ये करूंगी. नो, आई एम अ पर्सन हु डज इट अकॉर्डिंग टू हर वे, राइट? बिकॉज अगर मुझे करना है तो मैं करूंगी, मुझे नहीं करना तो मैं नहीं करूंगी.
Yes.
And that is something that has helped me a lot with my creative abilities. बिकॉज आप जितना अपने दिमाग को फ्री रखोगे, उतनी क्रिएटिविटी आपके अंदर एब्जॉर्ब होगी, राइट? यू गेट इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम पीपल व्हेन यू हैव अ क्लियर माइंड. So to in order to clear my mind, I never stressed myself to uh, you know do something that I don't want to.
that means you have never left anything for the last moment. What nowadays we see with the kids, because they leave it for the last moment. यार कल एग्जाम है तो आज पढ़ लेंगे, या फिर कुछ भी like project है तो we'll do it.
हाँ, मतलब इट्स लाइक या तो आगे के लिए पोस्टपोन नहीं करा, नहीं करना तो छोड़ दो. इट्स लाइक इट्स ईदर वाइट और ब्लैक, शुड नॉट बी ग्रे कि हाँ देखते हैं कर लेंगे, नहीं मन नहीं हुआ, नहीं, ऐसा मन वाला नहीं है उस टाइम. एट दैट वेरी पॉइंट, लाइक अभी लाइक 12:30, ठीक है, 12:30 अगर मुझे कुछ करना है, अगर मैंने सोचा कि इफ यू टेल मी कि दीदी हमें ये करना है, और देन आई विल थिंक नहीं मुझे नहीं करना, खत्म. तो दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू शुड बी वेरी क्लियर अबाउट कि इफ यू वांट टू डू और नॉट डू. क्योंकि आप जितना उसके बारे में सोचोगे, व्हेन यू कंटेम्पलेट उस बारे में कि ये करूँ या मैं नहीं करूँ, तो देयर इज अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, राइट, इन योर ब्रेन. सो आप उस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट से बचो, आप वो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में ही रह जाओगे इंस्टेड ऑफ क्रिएटिंग समथिंग न्यू एंड समथिंग इनोवेटिव, right? So not in the fashion industry, not related to any other thing. कुछ भी, अगर आपको कुछ भी दुनिया में कुछ भी करना है, either it's black or white, don't leave it to gray, man. So gray is something that confuses you.
Very true. And as you said, as you talked a lot about sustainability right at the moment, I hope the
Yes.
audience is learning very, very much, because we have budding fashion designers who were sent invitations to join this, and a lot of interest was shown as well. So, what do you think? Because sustainability has been the talk of the decade in the industry. Because past decade we saw a lot of brands, not naming them, but they promised by 2020 they'll be removing all the toxic things and all those. So, do you think after COVID, post COVID, the message would change, or and something new will be added on, or the message will be same as it was?
No, the message won't be the same as before. The new normal, as they say, things won't get back to normal like it was after COVID, but it will obviously go something to very a new extent. And people during this lockdown, I've seen people getting more aware of what their needs are and what their wants are. right? And this is a matter of needs and wants now, because uh, the income is less, of course, because of the lockdown and because of whole situation. The industries are shutting down, so the people are buying what they really need and not what they want, right? So what we see here is people buying less and what they really need at home or to go out in their offices, because offices are obviously on now. And initially when before COVID, people were like a lot of bloggers I have seen, a lot of influencers, as they say, I've seen people who are on social media do not repeat clothes,
Yeah,
right?
they do not.
Okay, yeah, it's already on the Instagram. Why should I wear that again? This top is already on Instagram. But what I feel is, being fashion students, being in the industry, what we can do is influence our people who are close to us, and people like our families, distant relatives. What we can tell them is, don't buy much clothes. We are not telling you to buy from slow fashion brands. We are not asking you to buy just organic fabrics, because obviously every pocket does not allow buying such fashion, right? You can buy 200 rupees t-shirt from Max or whatever fast fashion brand you want to. But when you were buying 5 t-shirts in a month, I would suggest you buy 2 t-shirts, but classic colors like white, black and gray. ठीक है, वो पहनो, वो सबके साथ जाता है यार. Like what we have learned over the years, and being from a Punjabi family, what I have learned, that आपके कपड़े कभी वेस्ट नहीं हो सकते.
Definitely.
यस, एंड हमारे बचपन में हम स्कूल जाते थे, यूनिफॉर्म लेने जाते थे. आफ्टर समर वेकेशंस ऑब्वियसली वी वर पम्प्ड अप. सो छुट्टियों में पंजाबी बच्चे मोटे हो जाते. सो छुट्टियों के बाद हम न्यू यूनिफॉर्म लेने जाते थे, तो आवर मदर्स ऑलवेज बॉट अ साइज बिगर टू आवर साइज. क्योंकि अभी तो तुम पतले हो जाओगे, अभी तो बेल्ट लगा के, अगले साल फिर तुम मोटा हो जाओगे, फिर कौन नए कपड़े खरीदेगा. तो दैट इज समथिंग. वो पॉकेट बचाने के लिए उन्होंने सस्टेनेबिलिटी स्टार्ट करी, कि अभी तुमने पहन लिया, तुम्हारे बाद तुम्हारे भाई बहन पहन लेंगे, भाई बहन के बाद वो मेड को दे देंगे, मेड उसका पोछा बना देगी, पोछा बनाने के बाद उसका कुछ डस्टर वस्टर बन जाएगा, गाड़ी साफ करने के काम आ जाएगा. देन फाइनली दैट विल थ्रो ऑफ, जब उसके छेद छितड़े उड़ जाएंगे. तो दैट इज समथिंग दैट वी. हाँ.
से कि हमारे गांव में तब भी जो चितड़े हो जाते हैं उनको चूल्हों में डाल देते थे. अब तो गैस
हाँ.
सिलेंडर्स आ गए, उस टाइम चूल्हों में यूज करते थे. तो ये
हाँ.
चीज प्रोबेबली हमारे ब्लड में, इट हैज बीन इन आवर ब्लड, इन आवर डीएनए.
यस, बट जैसे अभी ड्यू टू द ग्लोबलाइजेशन, यू सेड द वेस्टर्न impact on in India and some eastern countries like this. So people, what people have unlearned the traditional ways of sustainability. Sustainability has always been our blood, like you said. हमेशा हमारे इंडियंस के ब्लड में रही है. ये नहीं तो वो नहीं तो ये नहीं तो वो. फेंकना नहीं है, बस कुछ भी हो जाए फेंकना नहीं है, बिकॉज पैसा लगा है उसमें. ठीक है, कंजूसी, इसको कंजूसी बोलो, इसको सस्टेनेबिलिटी बोलो, दैट इज द सेम थिंग. बट व्हाट वी आर, यस, so over the years we have learned the Western experience, but now what we have to do, what we are moving towards, is unlearning the Western Western culture and inculcating the sustainability aspect that has always been in us. उसको बाहर लाना है. ठीक है, जो वेस्टर्न कल्चर ने ऑलरेडी ओवरलैप करा था, बस अब उसको बाहर लेकर आना, वो है हमारे अंदर. we have to just get it out.
Definitely, ये जो what you said right now in my upcoming book, sort of these things have been mentioned. I don't know, the cover has not been launched yet, but these things have been mentioned, and this puts on a major impact on the youngsters, the upcoming generations, because since class 4th or 5th, we start talking about what sustainability in our EVS books. But
yes,
as in this industry and in many of the other industries, I've had conversation with people in the recent days. They have started looking towards sustainability as a key. So now I'll
Yes.
come to another question, because entrepreneurship is something that is very favorite to me. I personally am a social entrepreneur, and for a good number of time now, and I look forward for people who really are self-made. And you are one of them. You are an emerging entrepreneur, and you have a brand running side by side your other jobs. So, and a lot of kids, they are seeking forward to become their own bosses and to start their own labels. A lot of them have started but are
Yes.
struggling, but that's good. As
Yes.
you and I
At
both,
least they've started.
yeah, they have started. So
Yes.
what do you see, because you are an emerging expert as well, and you are an entrepreneur in making too. So your suggestions to the youngsters?
My suggestion to the youngsters who are starting their own, brand label is start small. Start small, because baby steps will eventually lead to something big, right? Because what my number one thing that I've always followed in my life is don't stress, and don't come into this trap of societal pressures that you have कि तुमने फैशन डिजाइनिंग कर लिया, कुछ कर लो, बुटीक खोल लो, और या फिर कोई डिजाइनर बन जाओ. तो दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ प्रेशर दैट वी हैव ऑन अस. And fashion designing, people who come into fashion designing have already uh, jellified a lot of
Yeah,
things.
definitely.
Because yes, because when you decide कि हमको fashion designing करना है, there's a lot of pressure already from your family. क्या करना है, तुम्हें दर्जी बनना है. तो that is something that we have already been through, and throughout the learning years. तो वो fashion designing people think कि बहुत आसान है, but वो आसान नहीं है.
नहीं.
You need a lot of creative things to you have a lot of things to manage, you have a lot of things to do, you have a lot of stitching to do, pattern making and everything. आपको सब कुछ सोच के आगे करना पड़ता है कि क्या हमने क्या डिजाइन लिया, क्या इंस्पिरेशन है, कौन कटिंग करेगा, कौन स्टिचिंग करेगा, उसको फिनिशिंग कौन करेगा. तो दैट इज समथिंग दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी गॉन थ्रू. And once we have graduated, so the pressure, that societal pressure that we have कि हाँ इस बंदे ने अपना काम चालू कर लिया, इस बंदे ने भी अपना काम चालू कर लिया, ये तो बहुत अच्छी जॉब में लग गया. So that pressure is already on us. So if you are starting something on your own, start small. Take small baby steps towards doing something big, towards growing something big. Because when you start small, you invest small, right? जो आपको पॉकेट मनी मिल रही, आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू टू टेक मनी फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स और टेक लोन्स फ्रॉम बैंक्स. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू, क्योंकि आप स्टार्ट तो कर लोगे इनिशियल फेजेस में, बट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल यूजुअली गिव अप वेरी इजीली.
Yes.
राइट.
95%.
तो व्हाट, yes, 95% people give up very easily because the industry is very cruel, very cruel. And not only in terms of job aspect, but also in the business aspect, because the competition is very high. The you go to any random gully and you see 5 to 6 boutiques there, and 5 में से 4 अच्छे चार नहीं चल रहे होंगे और एक चल रहेगा. तो जो बाकी चारों के ऊपर जो प्रेशर है to sustain themselves in the business, that is very consuming a person, right? So what I suggest is start small. When I've started, even I have started my own clothing brand with my friend. It's in association with my friend, and she has also done fashion designing from another institute, and we have started. I look into the designing part of it. I look into you have to, like I said, you have to what do you say, you have to gather information that what you are good at and what you are not good at. You have to point out positive and negative points first before starting anything, right? So what I'm good at is marketing, sales and designing. I can take up, and my other person is taking up talking with the tailors, taking orders, and the secondary things that has to be is done by me, and the primary thing, stitching, sourcing and everything, my friend takes care of.
Okay.
So that is something that आपको सब कुछ अलग अलग सेग्रीगेट करना पड़ेगा, आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप क्या नहीं कर सकते. एंड इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग अलोन like a single individual person, you have to start small. आपको छोटे छोटे बेबी स्टेप्स लेने हैं. like I always said, आपके पास जो भी पॉकेट मनी है, if you are a graduate, if you have been earning through a job or something like that, so you have to save that money. and आपके पास 1,000-2,000 रुपए, start investing into your business. like आपके पास अभी एक महीने की पेमेंट है, for say like आपकी 20,000 की जॉब है, 20,000 में से आप अपना खर्चा निकाल लो, like 5-10,000 अपना खर्चा, 10,000 जो आपके पास सेविंग है, invest that into your business, invest that into your dream. Right? Buy a machine if you are very passionate about, doing stitching on your own. And if you are not really passionate about doing your stitching on your own, so buy fabrics, get the fabrics, get the initial things that you need, and outsource. Outsource is something that you can always do to start your own business, small business. And social media platform is a very great platform, like I said. तो उसके ऊपर you can always start, and people are looking for something new. Be true to your art, be original is something that is very necessary right now, because whatever we see on Pinterest is on stands right now. Yeah. With every designer. So you have to be original. You take inspiration from them, but be original. Have your aesthetic, like I said, aesthetic जो आपका है उस design में inculcate कर दो, तो that will be your design, not some Pinterest design. Right? So be original, start small, and start investing your savings in something good.
Very true. You have already given so much of suggestions to the young budding professionals, and I'm very fortunate that you discussed all these points, because in my first channel I do these things many a times, or places where I write, I do. And social media has an importance, I can understand, because yes, I had a social media existence, and then I left it for a long while, and then again I had to come back. It is a platform that gave me, this original term gave me something called recognition in the industry. And all these things are definitely, I'm learning a lot right at the moment, because I have a societal pressure as well, because I have a good number of organizations running, and I have to invest my time, and so as you have an organization and other work. So this is something that we all can learn from you, to be original and to invest time honestly. Unfortunately, all good things have to come to an end, and this first episode of ours is I don't want to, I just want to keep on talking and learning from you, and so I believe so does the audience. But this session has to come to an end, unfortunately. But last remarks, last question from you, that what are your views on BCA Foundation's show Industry Talks with BC Anant?
I really feel, like I said earlier, initially, that I said that this is a really great initiative that you have, Anand, that you have started. And I have always felt in college also, when you were working under me, then you were learning, that that you have a spark that can inspire a lot of people. And yes, don't be so coy. So that is something that you have always done, even in college, managing everything, inspiring other people, juniors. So when you approached me to this, I was very happy that you are doing something for the good. You are using your abilities to help other people. And yes, so that is something I really feel that you're doing great. And I hope this your industry talks moves forward, and you gain a lot of recognition for this. And I really love to be here.
Thank you. And truly not about recognition, but I wish more and more people learn, because learning is important. And I'm thankful and privileged to you that you accepted the request, and help the youngsters and the people who are looking for something. And definitely, this culture which tells us Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the world is our family, helps us learn,
Yes.
because we are in such a culture. And I'm thankful that and I must tell my audience that I've learned a lot from you, because I've read your blogs whenever you post on LinkedIn, and I go and keep on checking those blogs, even at times view your profile and go to the previous works you have done, because this is something that helps me learn too. And these informations are not kept into me, along only with me, but always shared with people. And thank you very much again. This initiative, by the grace of Lord, grows up, and I wish you a very happy
Yes.
Guru Purnima, and to all my audience as
Thank
well.
you.
you know and that was it from our side. We had with us Miss Amulya Chitkara. We'll be back soon with the second episode and a new guest. Till then, stay tuned. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. Thank you very much for joining us. See you.
Bye. Thank
Bye
you.
bye.